Never close your eyes, never stop and listen, never feel alive, and you're nothing missing. You don't need a reason, let the day go on and on. Let the rain fall down everywhere around you, give into it now, let the day surround you. You don't need a reason, let the rain go on and on.
Call up the captain, tell him I ain't coming in. He can dig his own coal, something else is happening. This living that I'm making is doing me sin. It's broken the lives of too many good men. Been hauling coal since I was big enough to fight. Some 30-odd shifts without a glimpse of daylight. The corporation likes to say that everything's alright. Dig yourself a hole, get out of sight. There's a dark cloud above me that's blocking out the sun. Burn another hunk of coal, listen to the engines run. One half is starving while the other's having fun. So call the captain, call the captain, call the captain, call the captain.
Are you getting all this to start my family at my funeral facility?
Close the door. I ain't going down to the mines today. I want clear blue skies and a whole lot more. Oh, I ain't going down to the mine. There's a hole in this bucket I've been carrying around. I fill it up to the top and watch it spill on the ground. Go down.
I went straight down. I used that rock.
You went straight down from here?
But the sweat on my brow.
You do what you want, man. I'm gonna tell you what.
These hills on my own flesh and bone.
I don't know how to get off this road.
They're all that I love and they're all that I've known. So please don't ask me to destroy my home. I'm not gonna choose between my heart and my soul. So call up the captain, tell him I ain't coming in. He can dig his own coal, something else is happening. This living that I'm making is doing a sin. So call the captain, call the captain, call the captain.
I don't think you can go back up, buddy.
I can go back. It's easier than down.
Okay, I mean, Russ, the decision is, you know, stay there all night or come on down, you know.
You have to use your thigh getting down.
Riding a horse.
Close